Finger tendon glide. To perform this exercise, place the elbow of the affected side on a table or armchair. Begin with the fingers fully extended and the hand at a slight angle back. Next, gently flex the base of the fingers to create a tabletop position. Perform 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perform the next 10 repetitions by forming a hook with the digits, excluding the thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perform 10 repetitions of making a fist, touching the tips of the finger to the palm of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perform one set of 10 repetitions of each maneuver twice a day, 5 days a week.